This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Murdock. Adorable and recently updated home in Richneck Estates. Open and bright floor plan with roomy kitchen complete with granite countertops, new solid wood cabinetry and new appliances. Living room and family room are huge. Great for entertaining family and friends. 3 bedrooms, 2 updated bathrooms with new vanities and tile flooring. Gleaming hardwood floors throughout. Detached workshop/shed in very large partially fenced backyard, great for summertime barbecuing. Non-smoking home. Pets considered on case-by-case basis. Available now. For more information, review the details below.